so impressed with this yarn. This is my office for the day. It could be worse. Hi folks, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a yarn review. I hope you can hear me today. I am at the shore obviously and the waves are crashing on the beach and on the stone wall. But I am here in Bali, Indonesia, currently working on my production for my clothing business, Knitty Kitty. And I'm also working on future samples for future seasons. And one of the samples I'm working on is a t-shirt like this, which is in the process of being knit. I'm basing it from an inspiration of a pattern that I found on Ravelry from the knitting company Two of Wands. It's called Sunset Ringer Tee. And I'm just seeing first how it knits up with a cotton yarn because I don't normally work with cottons in my production. So that's the first thing I wanted to test. And then I just wanted to test the shape of the t-shirt to then see for a future pattern how I'm going to adjust it to make it my own. So today I'm concentrating on the type of yarn I'm using, and that is going to be a cotton yarn. And I don't normally knit with cottons. In the past they've been a little too stiff and they've been great for like washcloths, but not things like baby blankets or I don't know, I just haven't worked too much with cotton until now. So before I left for Bali, I was at Michael's craft store, and because I like to always see what new yarns are coming out, and I came across a yarn from Yarnspiration or Caron yarn, and it's called Cotton Funnel Cakes. This I have in two colors for my project. I have it in this one's called Fog. It's more like a brown. And then this one that I'm going to use for it's a ringer tee I'm making. So this one for the trim of the neck and the sleeves. What is it called? Buttercup, of course. And that to me makes me think of a buttercup color. So the Cotton Funnel Cakes is 100% cotton. It's machine washable. The gauge on this is 18 stitches and 24 rows on a size 7 needle. And for the pattern that I'm using by Two of Wands, it calls for a size 7 needle, but the gauge is different. So I had to adjust it. So I had to adjust the gauge, and I'm using a size 4 needle to get 20 stitches with the Caron Cotton Funnel Cakes. And I just wanted to let you know what I thought about it. I am so impressed with this yarn. It's super soft. Like, I know I'm gonna wear this t-shirt often just because I love how it feels against my skin. It doesn't feel rough or stiff. It's more like a nylon yarn feeling, so it's really soft. And the other thing that I love so much about it is that you can machine wash it, because when you get yarns that are hard to care for, you don't wear the item as much, you don't use it as much because you want to take care of it so much longer. So I give this yarn of a rating of 1 to 5. I give it a 5. I'm going to use it for other projects, and I'm also going to try and find a yarn similar when I'm doing production for Knitty Kitty, because I love it so much that I want something. If I can't get the Cotton Funnel Cakes for my production, which is hard to do when you're doing mass production, but if I can't get that brand to use, I am going to look for something similar with the same softness, same texture, and same care. So if you are considering whether to use it, I'd say go for it. Oh, by the way, this is it's 8.8 ounces, and so it's 250 grams. And the retail price at Michael's is $11.99, but don't forget you can go to Google Images or sign up to Michael's craft store to get coupons, and then it can even be like half that cost. So the cost of like this t-shirt is going to be, I needed 2 of these balls of yarn for the main color, and then I'm going to use just a little bit for the trim. So, and I think I did use I'm sure I used Michael's coupons, because I always do. I never pay full retail. So I think my total cost for making this t-shirt would have been around under $15 for sure. I just don't have the receipt in hand anymore since I'm not at home at the moment. But I hope you'll consider using these cotton funnel cakes. Show me in the comments what you're making with this yarn. I'd love to see your finished projects. And thanks for watching, and happy knitting!